I'm starting by sticking on some of the Sephora Lineup makeup tape. Then I'm going to be pressing on some of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Sephora package, and this is actually my HudaBeauty New Nude palette. I actually received this originally a few days ago, but Sephora sent me the wrong items. Like, they sent me somebody else's order, so I had to wait again for them to reship it. And I just got it. I mean, I didn't have to wait to unbox it right now, but I'm being a little bit extra. Yeah, so the last time I tried to do the little unboxing on Snapchat, and it was a complete fail because it was the wrong item. So you know how I was telling you guys that I'm gonna be doing, what the fuck is this? That I'm gonna be doing a Super Bowl inspired look. What the fuck is this shit? This is not what I fucking ordered. This one looks like it's finally the right one. It's so fucking cute. So I know I'm a little late on it, but that's alright. I was debating for a long time whether to get it or not, and I finally decided to get it. It's so cute, and I haven't even opened it yet. It matches me. So I'm sure everybody has seen it already, but this is what it looks like on the outside. And honestly, the only Huda palette that I have is the first one that had came out. And I didn't buy the ones after that because I wasn't the biggest fan. It did grow on me, but it took a long time. But I am so obsessed with this one. It looks so pretty. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this, so let's go ahead and get the look going. I'm taking the MAC Single Shadow in Nylon into my brow bone. So yeah, the shadows are definitely dusty as fuck, just like the other one, but I'm trying to remain optimistic and keep going. I'm picking up the shade Lace with my Morphe M511. So I'm adding this to the crease, and then I'm blending it up, and I usually add it in windshield motions, and then I blend up in circular motions. Apply, blend, and repeat until you get the desired shade. Alright guys, and another thing that I'm noticing is that the shadows, when you apply them, they don't look the same on your skin as they do in the palette. If you look at it in the palette, the shade's like a purplish, grayish tone. And on me, it just completely looks like a soft pink. So I mean, that's not the best. Like I said, it's still really pretty, but I mean, I don't know. That's not really a good thing, right? Now I'm taking the shade Tickle with my Morphe M518. Now I'm going into Spank with my Morphe M507. And here I'm just taking my M518 once again to blend out the edge. I'm going to be taking Love Bite into the outer lid, and I'm still using my Morphe M507. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm having the hardest time trying to get this color to stick. It's like super patchy. Like, it doesn't want to stick too well anywhere around the crease, but on the lid it's barely sticking as well. So I'm just gonna keep trying to apply as much as I can till I get it at least decently applied. I have a really strong feeling that when I cut my crease with the concealer, it's gonna change the color of the shadows as well. Fuck. And I actually didn't struggle blending the concealer into the shadows as much as I thought I was. I'm pressing Daydream onto the lid, and I'm using my Makeup Forever silicone applicator. I'm going to be marrying the two shadows on the lid with the glitter Excite, and I'm still using the Makeup Forever brush. I like to clean the fallout with my face cream and some Q-tips. I'm smoking out the lower lash line with the shade Tickle. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of Love Bite to the outer lower lash. And I'm highlighting my tear duct with Nylon. I'm going to be adding a little bit of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter and Midnight Cowboy to the crease. I'm going to do my face off camera real quick. And boom, I'm back. It is so important to curl your lashes before you add falsies, so I'm curling my lashes with my MAC eyelash curler. I have the Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby Scott Black and I'm tie lining with that. And here I have the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Whiten. I'm adding some mascara to the lower lashes so that the top lashes don't look so heavy. And today I'm using the Eyelour lashes in the style Marquise, and these are actually some of my most favorite lashes. They're bomb as fuck. Alright, so now back to the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and rate this a 6 out of 10. You know, it's too fucking dusty, to be honest. This bitch has fucking money. Like, this bitch has hella dough. Like, to be putting out whack products is just unacceptable to me, you know? And I don't feel like this is worth $65 for sure at all. Like, I've had way cheaper products with way better quality. You get what I'm saying? Like, I still love the way that my makeup came out. I really do. But, you know, I'm not happy about the way that it blends, you know, the way that it sticks to your skin. I'm not happy about, you know, how the colors change from the palette to when you put it on your skin. However, the shimmery shadows do stick on a lot more beautifully than the matte shadows. The glitter shadows are great as well, but those matte shadows just, I'm not fucking with them too much. And I'm probably gonna keep this palette, you know, but this is definitely not a palette that I would recommend to beginners, to be honest, if to anyone at all. And also, I used 4 different matte shadows and it looks like I only used 1, so I mean, the color payoff isn't even that great either. I just feel like it's disrespectful as fuck for her to put out an expensive product and not have the quality to back it up. That's just my opinion. Like, you know, there are some people that unfortunately don't have a lot of money and they save up their money, you know, want to spoil themselves. They spend $70 fucking on this palette. I'd be fucking mad, to be honest. And this is exactly why I had stopped buying Huda's products since the Rose Gold palette. And now that I'm trying this palette, I'm seeing that not much has changed. So I'm gonna back up from her products again. Don't get me wrong though, I still fuck with her. I love her, but you know, she for sure has to work on her palettes, in my opinion. For those that already have this palette, I will be doing more looks, especially for this Valentine's Day series, so stay tuned for that. I hope the tutorial helps you guys out, and I also hope that my insight on the palette helps you guys out as well. I am so excited to create more Valentine's Day looks, so please hit the subscribe button to keep up with the series. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop some comments down below. I'll see you guys next time.